Coffee. I-2. Stop the press. This couldn't come at a worse time because I was literally about to release my video on the thoughts on the i2, of my thoughts on the i2. And I'm at the stage of editing it, and Polaroid drop this bombshell. Yep, you are reading that right. Polaroid have teamed up with iFixit to release guides on how to repair the i2 and replace the battery, which was really my biggest complaint about the camera. Now, those that have been following my channel will know that as of 2024, I've really tried my absolute hardest to dedicate a lot of time into fixing these Polaroid I-type cameras, because until now, it seems, support has been incredibly limited. I spent a lot of time last year contacting people at Polaroid. I even had dinner with the head of Polaroid Australia, and I raised this as an issue and was assured that Polaroid were going to take steps in terms of correcting it. And yeah, it seems like they've done that, at least for the Polaroid i2. I would like to see them expand this support to some of their other cameras, but it does seem that with their flagship camera, the expensive one, the one worth a lot of money, you will now be able to purchase spare parts for it, which is just freaking awesome. And I do wonder, was this partly because of myself and then anyone that listened to me complaining about the built-in battery and contacting Polaroid? Like, did we do this? I don't know, but I'm going to have to at least go, and I probably won't completely reshoot my i2 video because, I mean, the fact that the battery is still built in and difficult to access is still annoying. Don't get me wrong. I still think it's a shit design. But this is way better now that we can actually get genuine OEM parts. This is super exciting. Like I said, was it because of me complaining loudly? Was it my recent I-type videos? I don't know. Maybe this was planned from the start. It would be. I have absolutely no idea. Yeah, I was critical about this at the launch. And I swear I was like the only one complaining about the fact that you couldn't replace the battery. And here we have now a website where you can buy not just the battery, but heaps of spare parts, body panels, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. This is possibly the shortest video I'm ever going to make. Let me know your thoughts. Leave comments below. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm legitimately speechless. This is a huge win in terms of repairability, sustainability, technicians. Like, this is, if you can't tell from the tone of my voice, this is genuinely some of the most exciting stuff I've seen Polaroid do, and it is a huge step towards them winning back a lot of respect from me, which is just freaking awesome to see. So yeah, anyway, that's really all I wanted to say. I am still going to release my i2 video over the next few days because I have a lot more thoughts about the camera than simply just the battery. But when I speak about the battery in that video, I'm going to have big disclaimer text along the bottom and linking people to where they can purchase parts for them. But this is friggin' awesome. Is Polaroid turning a new leaf? I don't know. Leave comments below. I'd like to keep this discussion going. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. I'll have more updates than this. This is just a crap little video that I wanted to throw together. As always, you like what I do, you know what to do. Subscribe, all that kind of nonsense. Send me something to fix. I'll see you in the next video.